Hi, this is Tom Salemi. We are here at OIS at ASCRS. Happy to be joined by Monty Montoya, President and CEO of CorneaGen.
CorneaGen, that's
Yes.
right.
Brand
Thanks
new
for
name.
having me, Tom, and exciting to be able to announce our new brand, CorneaGen, here at OIS.
I'm happy that you chose here to do it. People would have formerly known you as SightLife. Bring us up to date on how SightLife Surgical came to be CorneaGen.
Yeah, and so in this evolution to accomplish our mission to eliminate corneal blindness by 2040, we have continued to evolve to be in a position where we can really be driving the next generation of cornea care. And by rebranding SightLife Surgical to CorneaGen, we're just really making it clear that we are all about the broader cornea ecosystem and that we're driving solutions, cornea-based solutions, to help achieve that mission of eliminating cornea blindness by 2040.
So how do you see the state of the cornea today, cornea treatment today? Is it underdeveloped? Is it being well served?
You know, that is a great question, and the current state of the cornea market is it's decentralized, it's fragmented, incredibly underserved, and under-resourced. And so what CorneaGen is all about is bringing the investment, driving the education, pulling together the partnerships that need to be formed in order to create a cornea market space that ultimately benefits patients. I'll give you one good example. So Fuchs dystrophy. There's 1.9 million people with Fuchs dystrophy here in the US, and our data-driven examination of Fuchs dystrophy in the US indicates that about 1.8% of those people actually get sight-restoring treatment. And so you think about that from a patient standpoint, that's horrible, that's unacceptable. But then you also think about it from a market perspective, and that's very exciting. If we can actually deliver solutions for those patients, that creates an incredible market opportunity as well. So win-win for the surgeons, their patients, as well as the investors.
What will execution on this vision look like? You had the acquisition of the camera inlay recently. Is that an indication of what we're going to see coming? Is that an outlier? What does CorneaGen's plan look like going forward?
Yeah, for CorneaGen, success looks like more and better treatments for patients with cornea diseases or cornea-related vision problems. And so if the surgeons see an increase to access to better treatments, better modalities of treatment, then they're going to know that we're executing on what we're supposed to be doing and driving the next generation of cornea care. And so, you know, good example of that would be injectable endothelial cell therapy. We've been working with Shigeru Kinoshita and his team recently had a great publication in the New England Journal of Medicine that shows how viably important injectable endothelial cells are to treating endothelial disease. And so when that product becomes available and is commercialized, then doctors are going to know that we're really making progress.
But to build out CorneaGen, is it going to be done through acquisition, through internal R&D? What does that look like?
Yes. And so it will be a mix. And so we're excited. We're launching into our Series B round of fundraising, which will be about $20 million. And that money is going to help us do both of those. One, drive that internal R&D, which we're really excited to have one of the best and brightest minds in ophthalmology, Bob Stevens, leading our R&D efforts. As well, it'll also help us acquire important products that are in development in other companies. And so one of the great things about having a brand like CorneaGen is it makes it very clear if you're an innovator and you're developing a cornea-based solution, who do you talk to? You talk to CorneaGen. And so one of the exciting things is we have a really big pipeline of IP coming our way from innovators who before never really had anywhere to go because the cornea market was so underdeveloped, the strategics weren't terribly interested in investing in those early stage innovations. But now there's somebody who can look at those and take a serious run at moving them forward to commercialization.
Excellent. Well, thank you for introducing CorneaGen, the name, to OIS, and for joining us today.
Great to be here, Tom. Thank you.